Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by using your Google account, sign in now so YouTube recognizes you, open a modern browser and go to YouTube.com. Once there, click the circular profile icon at the top right that reveals account options. Make sure you are using the account tied to your channel because channels can be linked to different Google accounts. If two-step verification is set, complete that prompt, otherwise you might be redirected. After verification, you'll be ready to access creator tools without delay. Once signed in, click the profile icon and choose YouTube Studio from the menu. That's the fastest path. Alternatively, navigate to the left side of the YouTube homepage and open the Creator menu, then select YouTube Studio. The dashboard will load with Analytics, Content, and Customization tabs. Give it a few seconds if your channel has a lot of data. Make sure you see the Studio left-hand sidebar. That confirms you're in the management interface where uploads, analytics, and channel settings live. To finish, explore the left sidebar. Click Content to manage videos, Analytics for performance, and Customization for branding. Once done, change settings or upload using the top right Create button. If Studio doesn't load, clear your browser cache or try incognito to rule out extensions. That fixes many issues. If you still can't access it, sign out and sign back in, or switch to the Google account that owns the channel. Those steps resolve permission and loading problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.